basically, if you don't know what's happening, that orange PC that we built, it's actually for one of my subscribers. He's never seen the PC before. He's asked me to build it, so I've built it blind, so he doesn't know what it looks like. All he knows is how much it costs and how that it's going to be very, very good. Now, he's been an Apple guy as much as I know, so he's been editing videos on a MacBook, so this PC is going to be a ridiculous upgrade for him. So I've never met him, so it would be interesting to see like his reaction, what this is going to be like. So I'm just going to wait for him to pull up in the car park here, and then we're gonna hopefully get his reaction on the PC and see what he thinks, and maybe even give a little go, see how it goes, if he can do a little bit. So there seems to be nobody else in the car park. Okay, there's one car over there, but no one else on this side, so hopefully he will turn up. I think that's him over there. Let me introduce you, this is Sam over there.
Hiya.
So Sam hasn't had a PC, PC. He hasn't had a PC like never. He's had an Hackintosh 15 years ago?
Yeah.
15 years ago. So he has no idea what's coming. So we're trying to like get it set up here and get his reaction. So let's do that. Here it is.
Wow.
I'm hoping, yep, put it up.
No way! What? No way! That is sick! That is sick! Look at it! Larry, that is mental! That is mental! Are you for real? Is this seriously mine? No.
I called it Orange Beast.
It's the black and orange. It's got like orange vein.
It's got orange guts inside.
It's a beast with orange guts.
That's it.
That is unbelievable. I don't know how well we're gonna do on the solar battery.
One of these.
This is so full on. It's like a proper. It's just a meaty beast. So the monitor's on.
And then on the top, there's press that button.
The beast has wrecked the van.
Okay.
Scotty, we need more power.
Let's turn the van on and see if we get even more power. Let me think. How can I show you this? Okay, let's find a power outlet. The van can't give enough power. We're looking for something that can give us enough power to power the beast. So there is this power outlet here. That should be long enough, but that's a bit different for what we need. So we need an extension. So Sam's gone inside to let these guys know here that we're just going to use a little bit of the power to power our beast. Let's see if we can get it turned on. Do you know if this was a Mac? If you configured the same specs on a Mac Pro, do you know how much it will cost?
I was looking at one for like 20k.
This exact configuration would cost over 15 grand.
Oh.
And it will blow the 15 grand one out of the water as well. It will be like
really?
Better. Yeah, it will be better. Yeah. Like if you go for spec to spec, like same cores, same amount of hard drives, same amount of like graphics power on the paper.
Yeah.
But then when you do benchmarks, this would blow it out of water.
You're a magician.
Come on, let's turn it on.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's go. There we go.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, come on.
No way.
Wait. Let's wait for it.
way.
Let's wait for it.
Oh my god. Are you for real?
Look at the front of it as well.
No way. Fangs. I'm really scared of it. It's got fangs.
Wait till you start rendering, then you'll be scared of it.
Mate, it's like a Halloween beast.
Oh yeah, I didn't know actually. It's like a perfect timing for Halloween, isn't it?
It's definitely a treat though.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Larry.
Oh no problem. Let's put the monitor on and then see what happens.
Wow. Windows, eh?
Does the mouse work as well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is there an internet in here? So it's got Wi-Fi built in as well, that PC.
Does it?
Yeah. So there's like 2 antennas in the back. So basically you can connect like antenna, which is in the motherboard box in my car. And then it's got like antenna you can put on top. Because at the moment there's no antenna connected. It still will get Wi-Fi, like over here.
Yeah.
But there will be like a black antenna thing that's magnetic. So it will stick like anywhere.
Wow.
There's Sam in his element now. Enjoying the beast.
How do you do an @ symbol?
You to keep as well. There's nothing else in there.
Yeah.
There's like a little cable in there that you might want to use.
Yeah.
Most of the things are in here. The antenna will be in here as well. And yeah, just in case if you need to add any more hard drives or things or SSDs, there will be some cables for the power supply in there.
Okay. I might be asking you for a YouTube video.
I've already done it.
Have you?
Yeah.
Right.
There he is.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyway, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya. So, the piece is gone. The beast is gone. Sam was happy. Yeah, it's very good. It was nice seeing that Sam was quite buzzing about it. He didn't expect any of it. We didn't manage to create or try any of the projects of like Premiere or any of the editing because we were just in the middle of nowhere, and you know, Adobe, you can't sign in, and then all of his hard drives were like Mac journaled, so the PC didn't read them. But would have been nice to see and hear what was his reaction on like the actual timeline performance of this. So that was pretty cool to, you know, to do this for Sam. Interesting. Yeah, never really met him. He was a nice guy. What a nice guy. I do hope that he enjoys his beast. So that was a bit of a different video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's end this video with a bit of a time lapse. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.